All right, in this video, we're going to analyze some options here and make some decisions. We're going to start with a video on some problems about choosing different vehicles to purchase. So this one is whether to buy a new vehicle or whether to keep your old vehicle and make repairs on it. So let's start with the decision to keep your old vehicle and look at the expenses for that. So let's identify the different expenses right now for the old vehicle. So we're going to have those miles per week in both of them. And your old vehicle gets 16 miles per gallon of gas. And we're not interested in that right now because that's part of the new vehicle. And the insurance premiums on the old car are $600 per year, and you anticipate spending $1,400 per year on repairs for the old car. No repairs to the new car, and we're going to have to use this gas cost $3.50 per gallon. We need to keep track of this as a 5-year period. So there's our information that we need to keep track of. Everything underlined in blue is for the old car. So the only thing that's not given to us in an annual expense right now is the price of gas, which is given to us in the fact that we're driving 240 miles per week. And we need to figure out how many gallons of gas that translates to. So we get 16 miles per gallon. Then we're going to need to change that to 1 gallon of gas costs $3.50. We're still per week, so we need to multiply this by 52 weeks out of the year. And then we need to multiply this by 5, so we get a 5-year period. So let's calculate all that with our calculator. So we have 240 times $3.50 times 52 for our numerator. Times 5 for our numerator, and we're going to divide that by 16 is our denominator. And we're going to get a cost of gas for the old car of $13,650. Now, let's add that cost to the other costs that we have here. So we have $600 per year for 5 years is going to be $3,000 for insurance. And we have $1,400 per year times 5 years is going to be $7,000 for repairs that we expect to make on that 5-year period. When we add this all up, we get the cost of keeping the old car is $23,630. For the new car, we're going to have some of the same calculations here for gas. So 240 times, now it's 1/40 times 350 times 52 times 5. I'm not showing the units this time because they're all the same. So 240 divided by 40 times 350 times 52 times 5. 5 is 5,460, and our insurance is more expensive on the new car. So let me just show you the things related to the new car. I'm going to make it red here. So we have that one-time cost. There's our mileage, there's our cost of insurance, and that's it. We have no car repairs on the new car. So we're going to take that price of gas, and we're going to have 800 times 5 is $4,000 for the insurance. We don't have any cost for repairs, but we do need to add in the cost of buying the vehicle of $13,000. And we get $22,460. So it is a little cheaper here. Just by $170 to buy new than to keep the used car and make repairs on it. I'm going to erase all these markups here that I made. I'm going to go back to my blue pen that I like. We're going to try another one just like that. Which is down here. Number 22. So you currently drive 360 miles per week with a car that gets 20 miles to the gallon. That means you're gonna go 18 gallons per week times 52 weeks out of the year. It's gonna be 18 times 52 is 936 gallons per year. And the price of gas is $3.50 again. Is going to be $3,276 per year times, and this time it is the question of how many years it would take for the old and new cars to be equal. So this is going to be times some unknown number of years. Okay. So we don't know that, but that's going to be unknown. Now, let's make that 3276X, right? Plus what are my other costs that are here that are annual? 600X plus 1400X. These are my costs for keeping the new car, or keeping the old car, excuse me. So we're going to add to this $600 plus $1,400, and my yearly expenses for keeping the old car are $52.76X. All right. And for the new car, we are going to have $900 for the cost of insurance, no repairs, but we're going to get a constant cost of $12,000 that we need to pay, and we're going to get that same 360 miles is divided by the new fuel efficient car that gets 60 miles per gallon. So that's 6, and 6 times 52 is then times 350 is 1092X is going to be 1092 plus 900 is 1992X plus 12,000. And I'm going to use a graphing utility here to help me answer this question to see where the point of intersection is. So I'm coming here and say 5276X, and this one is 1992X plus 12,000. And zoom 0 so that it shows both of them on that graph. I'm interested in where this point of intersection is here, where they're equal. So second calc number 5. I'm on my first line, second line, and then I'm going to guess that the point of intersection is somewhere right around there. And it's going to tell me that it's going to be X is about 3.65 years. And that's correct. So that was a similar problem, but instead of having the number of years available, that was a variable, and we needed to graph those two lines and find their point of intersection. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to do one more problem that has to do with car purchases, and that has to do with the choice of buying or leasing a car right here. So you must decide whether to buy a new car for $26,000 or lease the same car over a 3-year period. So we're in a 3-year period now. Under the terms of the lease, you have to make a down payment of $1,600, plus you have to make monthly payments of $320. There's going to be 3 times 12 is going to be 36 of those payments. So the cost of leasing the car is going to be $1,600 plus 320 times 36 is $13,120. If you buy the car, you have to pay $26,000 up front, and then you're going to have residual value on the car of $15,000 that you can sell it for at the end of the 3-year period. So the difference there, I think it's obvious, but we use the calculator here just to show you, is going to be $11,000. Right? So you are compare those two numbers there, and this is your cost that you've put into the car here, and compare those two numbers, and it looks like it's a better investment to lease the car here as opposed to and that's it for this video. We'll come back next time and talk about some other decisions to make related to which college to attend and the cost of attending classes versus working and some costs of education expenses. All right, see you in the next video.